Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DreamHost VPS using cPanel backups, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your DreamHost account. Navigate to the VPS section from your dashboard. Locate the server you'd like to withdraw from and click on it. Once in the server details, find the Manage option for your VPS. In the Management panel, look for the Backup feature. Click on the Backup option to access your cPanel backups. Here, you should see a list of available backups. Select the most recent backup you wish to withdraw. Choose the option to download the backup file. This file may take a moment to prepare before it begins downloading. Once the download begins, monitor its progress to ensure it completes successfully. After the download is complete, locate the file on your local device. Next, open cPanel for the new hosting environment where you intend to restore the backup. Log in using your credentials for the new hosting provider. In the cPanel dashboard, locate the File Manager section. Navigate to the directory where you want to upload your backup file. Click on the Upload button to begin the upload process. Select the backup file you previously downloaded from your DreamHost VPS. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on the file size. Once the upload is finished, return to the File Manager. Locate the uploaded backup file in the directory. Right-click on the backup file and select the Extract option. Follow the prompts to extract the files to your chosen directory. After extraction, verify that all files were successfully uploaded. Next, return to the cPanel dashboard and locate the Databases section. If you have databases to restore, select phpMyAdmin. Choose the appropriate database you want to restore or create a new one. Click on the Import tab in phpMyAdmin. Select the .sql file from your backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.